Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a new video and a new series on this amazing channel. So, in the last speed mapping episode, when I made the waterfall, I asked you guys if you'd be interested in actually joining that map with the others and creating something, creating a server, basically creating a new game mode. And none of y'all bastards said nothing about it. And so I thought, you know what, I don't give a shit, I want to start this project anyway. And here I am. Hello. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna create a brand new game mode. I'm gonna start from scratch and we'll see what happens as we go. But before I start doing anything, I want you guys to show your appreciation for my effort and leave a like on this video. I think that's fair, right? So without any further ado, let's start with our first step. And that is to go to the official SAMP website and download a brand new server. And so I clicked the download link, and then I waited and I waited and I waited, and nothing really happens. The download window didn't really pop up. And so I remembered that I should probably already have a fresh server somewhere on my computer, so I started looking for it, and here I found it. So I took it, I unzipped it, and then I ran the server, and something strange happened. Yep, my skin is not there. That's strange. That's strange to me, because I'm always used to wear that skin, you know. And with that in mind, I went in the server files, I edited some stuff, and while I was at it, I added some utility files so that I can spawn vehicles and weapons and whatnot. I even added fly mode. And now that I'd done all the basic stuff, I knew that I had to create some infrastructure, because I'm planning on making a big project out of this, and in the future I know that it will benefit me a lot if I keep the game mode organized. And so in the game modes folder, I created a folder called components, in which I'm gonna create separate files for each aspect of the game. For example, for maps, I'm going to have a file called maps, and for removed objects, I'm going to have a file called the removed object, and so on. And I'm gonna create new files as I progress in the development. Obviously, all these files will be then fetched by the main structure of the game mode, and they will function as one, basically. And now it is time to add the maps. And so I did that, and then an error occurred. And after some fiddling with the code that I wrote poorly, then I solved it, and I finally gave it a proper run with all the maps that I wanted to add included. And boy, nostalgia hit me. When I saw those old maps, I almost shed a tear. It was really nice seeing those old creations, and that I almost forgot about them. I didn't even remember properly how they used to look like, and so that really made me happy to see them all back together. And now that I've done all that, the next step was to add the next most basic and most needed feature of a server, and that is a register and login system, so that the players can authenticate into their accounts. And so I did that. It took me a while, it took me a few hours, but I finally figured it out, and I made it simple, I made it plain, and I tried to polish it up a bit, and I added some fancy camera movements when the player tries to authenticate, and I think it looks really neat. And now the last thing I wanted to add was a way for the players to create new characters and choose their skin. And I went into a text draw editor that I had and started making something, and so I put a timeless together for you guys to enjoy with some music. And there you have it, guys, the finished product, and I think it looks pretty damn cool. In the end I might remove that village choose your spawn village menu and just stick with the skin selection. I think that's a better implementation. But anyway, right now it doesn't really have any functionality. If you click any of those things, it won't do anything. But I promise you that by the next episode this thing will be done and dusted. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it at least interesting to watch. It's really a different kind of thing for me to do, but it's really enjoyable as well. Like, I can't wait to actually work on the next one. And actually, in the next one I'm going to explain to you what kind of game this is going to actually be, because I don't think I really made it clear. So yeah, with that in mind, I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And until that time comes, take care of y'all, and I'll see you later.